Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix people are visiting your store but no sales. So in this video, I will show you how to fix this problem. That is, people are visiting your Shopify store but there is no sales. So if you're getting traffic but no sales on Shopify, here's how to optimize your store for conversions. Number one way is improve your product pages. Use high quality images and videos. Write clear persuasive product descriptions that highlights benefits. Also, add customer reviews and testimonials. Also, you can display a clear picture and emphasize discounts. Now, second way to fix this problem is optimize your checkout process. Enable guest checkouts, that is, no forced account creation. Also, you can offer multiple payment methods like PayPal, Apple Pay, credit or debit cards, and ensure shipping costs are clear and reasonable. Now, you can also fix any errors in the checkout process. Now, another way to fix this problem is building trust and credibility. Add trust badges, secure payments, free returns, and money back guarantees. Display a clear return and refund policy and have an easy to find contact page. Now, fourth way to fix this problem is optimize store speed and mobile experience. Ensure your store loads within 2 to 3 seconds. Check if your store is fully mobile friendly. Also, remove unnecessary pop-ups and clutter. Now, fifth way to fix this problem is offering discounts and promotions. Use limited time offers to create urgency, provide free shipping on certain orders, and offer first-time customer discounts. Now, sixth way to fix this problem is using abandoned cart recovery. Set up automated cart recovery emails in Shopify. Also, offer a discount in follow-up emails. Seventh way to fix this problem is improving your traffic quality. Ensure your ads are targeting the right audience and analyze Shopify analytics to see where traffic is dropping. Now, eighth way to fix this problem is using live chat and customer engagement. So enable live chat to assist visitors in real time. Use a chatbot for common questions. Also, I have a pro tip for you. Use Shopify Analytics to identify problem areas. Now, these were the ways through which you can fix this problem. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.